Welcome to the fascinating world of cell biology, a field that delves into the intricate workings of the fundamental units of life cells. Imagine a bustling city, teeming with activity. Within its boundaries, countless processes unfold, each contributing to the city's overall function. This is akin to the world within a cell, a microscopic metropolis where molecules interact in a precisely orchestrated dance to sustain life. By understanding cells, we gain insights into the fundamental processes that underpin all living organisms. Advances in cell biology have revolutionized our understanding of diseases, paving the way for novel diagnostic tools, therapeutic interventions, and even regenerative medicine. From developing life-saving drugs to engineering tissues and organs, the applications of cell biology are transforming healthcare as we know it. Join us as we embark on an exploration of this captivating field, unraveling the complexities of cells and discovering how these microscopic wonders shape the macroscopic world around us. The story of cell biology is intimately intertwined with the development of the microscope. Before the invention of this powerful tool, the microscopic world remained largely hidden from human view. In 1665, Robert Hooke, an English scientist, made a groundbreaking observation. While examining a thin slice of cork under his microscope, he noticed a network of tiny compartments that reminded him of the small rooms inhabited by monks in a monastery. He coined the term cells to describe these structures, unknowingly laying the foundation for a new field of scientific inquiry. Antony van Leeuwenhoek, a Dutch tradesman with a passion for lens making, was crafting microscopes of remarkable quality. His instruments allowed him to observe a dazzling array of microscopic life, including bacteria, protozoa, and even blood cells. These early observations sparked a flurry of scientific inquiry, but it was not until the 19th century that the true significance of cells began to emerge. The cell theory posits that all living organisms are composed of one or more cells and that the cell is the basic unit of life. Imagine the cell as a bustling city enclosed within its protective city walls, the cell membrane. Within the cell membrane lies the cytoplasm, a gel-like substance that houses the cell's internal structures, or organelles. The nucleus, often referred to as the cell's control center, houses the genetic material, DNA, which carries the instructions for building and maintaining the cell. Ribosomes, the protein synthesis machinery of the cell, translate the genetic code into proteins, the workhorses of the cell. Mitochondria, the powerhouses of the cell, generate energy through cellular respiration, converting nutrients into usable energy currency. Cells are dynamic living systems that constantly interact with their environment. They exhibit a remarkable repertoire of activities, from obtaining nutrients and converting them into energy to communicating with neighboring cells and replicating themselves. One of the most fundamental cellular processes is metabolism, the sum of all chemical reactions that occur within a cell. Cellular respiration, a key metabolic pathway, allows cells to extract energy from glucose, the primary fuel source for many organisms. Cells also communicate extensively with their surroundings, receiving and responding to signals from other cells and the extracellular environment. This intricate communication network relies on a variety of signaling molecules, including hormones, neurotransmitters, and growth factors. Cell division, the process by which a single cell divides into two daughter cells, is essential for growth, development, and tissue repair. Just as individuals within a society specialize in different professions, cells within a multicellular organism differentiate into specialized cell types, each with its unique structure and function. Consider the human body, a marvel of biological engineering composed of trillions of cells. These cells are not all alike. They have diversified into over 200 distinct cell types, each tailored to perform a specific role. Nerve cells or neurons are highly specialized for communication, transmitting electrical signals throughout the body. Muscle cells responsible for movement are enriched with contractile proteins that allow them to shorten and generate force. Epithelial cells, forming linings and coverings throughout the body, act as barriers, protecting underlying tissues from injury and infection. Understanding the structure of cells is paramount to comprehending their function. Advances in microscopy and imaging techniques have revolutionized our ability to visualize and study the intricate architecture of cells, revealing a world of breathtaking complexity. Light microscopy, a cornerstone of cell biology, utilizes visible light and a system of lenses to magnify specimens. This technique allows us to observe cells and their internal structures, such as the nucleus, mitochondria, and chloroplasts in plant cells. Electron microscopy, on the other hand, utilizes a beam of electrons instead of light, achieving far greater resolution and magnification. Transmission electron microscopy, TM, allows us to visualize the internal structures of cells in exquisite detail, revealing the intricate architecture of organelles and even individual molecules. Within the bustling metropolis of the cell, a myriad of molecular machines work tirelessly to sustain life. One such molecular motor, kinesin, plays a critical role in intracellular transport. This protein complex walks along microtubules, filamentous structures that form part of the cell's cytoskeleton, carrying cargo such as vesicles and organelles to their designated destinations. Another remarkable molecular machine, ATP synthase, operates as a miniature power generator, synthesizing ATP, the cell's primary energy currency. Embedded within the inner membrane of mitochondria, ATP synthase harnesses the energy from proton gradients, generated by the electron transport chain, to drive the synthesis of ATP. DNA polymerase, an essential enzyme involved in DNA replication, ensures the accurate duplication of the cell's genetic material. This molecular machine moves along a DNA strand, reading the sequence of nucleotides and incorporating complementary nucleotides into a newly synthesized DNA strand. The history of cell biology is replete with groundbreaking discoveries that have revolutionized our understanding of life itself. One pivotal moment in the history of cell biology was the discovery of the structure of DNA by James Watson and Francis Crick in 1953. Their groundbreaking work, based on X-ray diffraction data collected by Rosalind Franklin, revealed the double helix structure of DNA, providing a physical basis for understanding how genetic information is stored and transmitted. This discovery ushered in a new era of molecular biology, paving the way for unprecedented advances in gene editing, gene therapy, and our understanding of the genetic basis of diseases. Another landmark achievement was the development of recombinant DNA technology in the 1970s. This revolutionary technique allows scientists to cut and paste DNA molecules from different sources, creating recombinant DNA molecules that can be inserted into cells. As we venture further into the 21st century, cell biology stands at the forefront of scientific exploration, poised to transform medicine, biotechnology, and our understanding of life itself. Advances in imaging techniques, high-throughput screening methods, and computational modeling are providing unprecedented insights into the intricate workings of cells, paving the way for novel therapeutic interventions and a deeper understanding of human health and disease. One area of intense research is the development of personalized medicine, an approach that tailors medical treatments to an individual's unique genetic makeup and environmental exposures. By analyzing an individual's genome, researchers can identify genetic variations that may influence their susceptibility to diseases or their responses to medications. Stem cell therapy holds immense promise for regenerative medicine, offering the potential to repair or replace damaged tissues and organs. Clinical trials are underway to evaluate the safety and efficacy of stem cell therapies, and while challenges remain, the field holds enormous potential. The quest to understand the cell continues to drive scientific inquiry, fueling our desire to unravel the mysteries of life and improve human health. The knowledge gleaned from cell biology has already transformed medicine, leading to the development of life-saving vaccines, antibiotics, and other therapies. Yet many challenges remain, and the future of human health hinges on our ability to further unravel the complexities of the cell. Cancer, a complex disease characterized by uncontrolled cell growth, remains a formidable foe. Researchers are working tirelessly to understand the molecular mechanisms underlying cancer development and progression, seeking to develop more effective diagnostic tools, targeted therapies, and preventative strategies. Infectious diseases caused by pathogens such as bacteria, viruses, and parasites continue to pose significant threats to human health. The rise of antibiotic resistance is a growing concern, underscoring the urgent need for new antimicrobial agents. Cell biology is playing a crucial role in this effort, providing insights into the mechanisms of pathogen infection, identifying potential drug targets, and facilitating the development of novel vaccines and therapies. The journey into the microscopic world of the cell is far from over.